In the last lecture, we have seen two examples for the left hand sequence and the right hand sequence. Now let's come on to the next example. We have a sequence xn is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 where the 0th position is on the 5. That means this sequence is both handed sequence. We having the elements at x of minus 2 and x of 2. Find out the z transform for this particular sequence. We know that the z transform is given by x of z and the formula is minus infinity to infinity x of n z raised to power minus n. Put out the values of the given xn. We have xn from minus 2 to 2. That means we have limit n is equals to minus 2 to 2 xn z raised to power minus n. Open this summation, we will get x of minus 2 z square plus x of minus 1 z1 plus x of 0 z raised to power 0 and so on. Put out the value and we will get z transform for the particular sequence, that is x of z is equals to 3z square plus 4z plus 5 plus 6z inverse plus 7z minus 2. Now the important thing is what will be the ROC. Here the ROC will be the entire z plane except z is equals to 0 and z is equals to infinity. Now the question is why we exclude these two limits, z is equals to 0 and z is equals to infinity. Why? Because in our answer we see that we have both powers of z, that is z's positive power and z's negative power. Z's positive power means what? We can't include z is equals to infinity, and z negative power means 1 upon z positive power and 1 upon 0 will make infinity. So we will can't include z's that is equals to 0. So in this case we have xz is equals to 3z square plus 4z plus 5 plus 6z inverse plus 7z minus 2, and with ROC for this question is entire z plane except z is equals to 0 and z is equals to infinity. Come on to the next part. Xn is equals to un. In the previous lecture we see that for un, that is a right handed sequence, ROC is mod of z greater than mod of a, and the answer for this question is xz is equals to z upon z minus 1 with mod of z greater than mod of 1. Similar on the basis of last question, we have next question, that is xn is equals to u of minus n minus 1. Now this question, this shows that this sequence is a left handed sequence, completely left handed, and the limit varies from minus infinity to minus 1, because u of minus n minus 1 will be 1 for n is equals to less than equals to minus 1. So put out the formula and open the summation. Xz is equals to n is equals to minus infinity to minus 1 u of minus n minus 1 z raised to power minus n. If we open the summation, we will get xz is equals to z plus z square plus z cube up to z raised to power infinity. That means this is a infinite GP series, which formula is having formula a upon 1 minus r with mod of r less than 1, which shows me ROC. So our first term is z upon 1 minus r and the difference is also z. So z upon 1 minus z with mod of z less than 1. That means, and the ROC for this particular question is, we have ROC in z plane a unit circle, and this question shows that mod of z less than 1 means ROC is mod of z less than 1, that means inside the unit circle.